सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. RTP Infra Projects Limited has received a letter of acceptance for a new project worth 21.95 crore. The project involves the construction of a nozzle assembly and segment preparation facility (NASP) at the SSLV launch complex in Tiruchendur and Satnakulam Taluk, Tuticorin district, Tamil Nadu. The order was awarded by a domestic entity, Satish Dhawan Space Center, and is to be executed within 11 months. CIMIC Limited and Posh India Offshore Private Limited have been awarded a letter of award (LOA) by Larsen & Toubro Limited for subsea installation work related to the PRP8 and the projects of ONGC. The work is expected to be completed by May 2026. The total contract value is being finalized. This disclosure is pursuant to SEBI Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements Regulations, 2015 and the SEBI Circular dated July 13, 2023. Zenith Exports Limited has received a settlement order from SEBI against its promoter, Mr. Rajkumar Loyalka, for a delay of 11 days in filing disclosures under Regulation 10(5) of the SEBI, Substantial Acquisition of Shares and Takeovers, Regulations, 2011. Mr. Loyalka has paid the settlement amount of 3,34,687 rupees. The company does not foresee any impact on its financial or operational activities. Zenith Exports Limited has received a settlement order from SEBI against its promoter, Mr. Rajkumar Loyalka, for a delay of 11 days in filing disclosures under Regulation 10(5) of the SEBI, Substantial Acquisition of Shares and Takeovers, Regulations, 2011. Mr. Loyalka has paid the settlement amount of Rs 3,34,687/. The company does not foresee any operational or financial impact. Diamond Power Infrastructure Limited (DPIL) has received a letter of intent from Adani Green Energy Limited for a contract worth Rs 214,65,28,200. The contract involves the supply of conductors for the Khavda Power Project in Gujarat. The order is to be executed by January 2026. This disclosure is made pursuant to SEBI Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements Regulations, 2015. J. Kumar Infra Projects Limited has received a letter of acceptance from CIDCO for the design and construction of a coastal road and pedestrian underpass in Navi Mumbai. The contract value is 1,020 crore 70 lakh 21,000 rupees, excluding GST, and the project is to be completed within 30 months. This disclosure is pursuant to Regulation 30 of the SEBI Listing Regulations, 2015. Rudra Gas Enterprise Limited has received a letter of award from Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited for MDP pipeline laying and associated works worth 33 crore 21 lakh 82,937 rupees. The project, for city gas distribution in Alipurdwar and Chuchebehar, West Bengal, is divided into 3 parts and is to be completed within 8 months. SPC Exports Limited has received a repeat export order worth $1,089,494.64, 9.36 crore Indian rupees approx, from MS Gavgi Brothers Wholesalers Co. LLC, a Dubai-based textile company. The order is for various garment articles and will be supplied to Day-to-Day, a well-known retail chain in Dubai. This agreement is part of a strategic tie-up between SPC Exports and Gavgi Brothers and is expected to enhance SPC's global reach and revenue growth. Solarium Green Energy Limited received an additional work order worth approximately 2 crore 1,61,499 rupees from NTPC Vidyut Vyapar Nigam Limited. This order involves adding 650 kW capacity for Troop Comforts Limited under a project to develop grid-connected rooftop solar projects. The order comprises supply, installation, and 10-year O&M of the solar plant. This is in addition to a previous order intimated on February 20, 2025. Railtel Corporation of India Limited has received a work order from Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited for Rs 25,15,24,500/, excluding tax. This is a 5-year rate contract for MPLS/IL links, covering the renewal of existing links and potential new connections. The contract is with a domestic entity and runs from April 1, 2025 to March 31, 2030. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।